What is that?
It's a pacifier.
It's a pacifier?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's going to pacify all the moisture out of the air.
It rolled.
It did.
Wait, I forgot to get this one open. But never mind that. So how do you?
So you plug it in and you turn it on.
We press this button.
Yeah, but don't press it now.
If you press this one, it goes on.
Yes.
But why is it blue?
That's the numbers that tells you how much humidity is in the room.
Tells me about what letters.
That says 5.5.
It's blowing me. Ah! Why is it blowing me?
Well, because the air, it's taking in air from one inlet and it's blowing it out that side, sweetheart. Are you loving it?
Yeah. And what's this?
That is a printer. Do you love it?
This is my one. I had that one, but now I'm trying to have this.
That's right.
Well, I can't have it. No, never mind. So, what letter are these?
Those are 5.5.
But what's this?
Mhm.
When?
That is an energy star.
Is this good to make this pacifier?
That's right.
But why did you make this pacifier?
That's a pacifier.
But why does it make fire?
Oh, it doesn't make fire, honey.
Because it's a
I know. It says pacifier. It's dehumidifier.
humidifier?
Mm-hmm.
Did we see that in the TV?
Yes, we did.
Why did you took this? Why did you took the other part off this one
Yeah,
while we were working?
Because that's where the water will collect.
Is it coming almost tomorrow?
Yes.
How do you?
You love it?
Yeah. Now, I like these M&Ms too.
And you like those M&Ms too?
Yeah, let me see what color.
You like cupcakes, you like M&Ms.
Oh, here's green.
You like it all, don't you?
There's purple. Green again. Green. Blue. Oh, wait, let's see her.
I'm good, Tundra. I'm good, Tundra.
I'll stop.
Okay, say goodbye to the camera.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye, camera.
Bye, camera.
Give us a big... Mwah. Lots of kisses. Very good.